here, and then lift your arm up. Oh wow. Okay. Now go back. Wow. You're like this. Okay, guys, I'm so happy again. Today is our last day in Berlin. So I met Victor through one of your massage therapists at Berlin Relax, and is that right? Yeah, yeah. And so he wants to get a massage and try my technique. So are you originally from Berlin or you? Where?
From Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay. How long you been
2 years.
in Berlin? 2 years?
Plus 2 years and 6 months.
Yeah. So why you decided to see me?
Anderson, yes, Anderson decided that I should come and see you for like maybe get another different. Like it would be helpful for me to see you.
If I can help you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you said you have a shoulder
Yeah, I have a shoulder
problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So let's do it then.
All right.
Okay. You should work in 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Wow, you know we've been filming since we got here, and most of the people that we met are from. We haven't met any local German, so everyone is from France, Italy, Brazil. Lots of Brazilian. I work with a lot of Nigerian nurses in the US
Yeah.
and Canada. Yeah, so I know a bit about your culture. Come up here. So we're gonna check your which one your
Actually, both shoulder, but this one seems to be more serious.
serious.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you bring your arm up like this? And then one up. Oh wow. Huh? Facing this one. Okay, so here and then lift your arm up. Oh wow. Okay, the other side. Bring it here and then brings up. Okay, now bow up. Wow, so limited. What did you do? You play football
Yeah.
here, professional,
Like amateur level.
amateur. Wow, wow, look at this. Oh wow, so limited. Wow, look guys. Wow, that's how. Is it painful?
Yes, it is.
Huh?
Maybe
Painful. Wow. Now do this one. Then bring it up like this. Ooh, bring up. Pain. This one, right? Oh, this one.
Yes, this one.
This one.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. And then now here up. Okay. Okay. Up on the left side, right?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Left side.
Yes, the left side.
What's your approach?
Hmm?
What is your approach?
First now loosening up the left arm all the way down to neck and head, the side of the temporal side of the head. It's frozen shoulder, guys. Like the rotator cuff, like as there's tendonitis, adhesion, uh, build up fascia, very, very tight. Mobility wise, muscles, the joints are very, very tight. Just take the pain, beyond pain.